Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your vector robot to Wi-Fi. First, make sure your vector is fully charged and powered on. You will also need to download the Vector Robot app onto your smartphone or tablet. It is crucial to have your Wi-Fi network name and password handy before you begin. This preparation ensures a smooth and quick setup process for your little robot companion. Once you have the app installed, open it and begin the setup. The Vector app is designed to walk you through each step, making the process straightforward. During this initial setup, it is a good idea to keep Vector on his charging pad. This provides a stable power source and ensures he remains stationary while you configure his network settings through your device. The app will prompt you to select your home Wi-Fi network from a list of available options. Carefully choose your network and then accurately enter your Wi-Fi password. Double-check for any typos, as incorrect credentials are a common reason for connection issues. After entering the password, Vector will attempt to establish a connection to your chosen network. Should Vector encounter trouble connecting, first verify your Wi-Fi password for any errors and try again. Also, ensure your robot is within a reasonable range of your Wi-Fi router, ideally within 10 to 15 feet. A successful connection is confirmed when a small, green Wi-Fi icon appears on Vector's screen, indicating he is online and ready to interact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.